Hi, Vera with Autonomous Trading here and Amazon. Today I'm going to explain the first half of the forecast that I announced recently on YouTube, on the blog of the company. 1 billion profit in Amazon, strong buy since $77. You have here the chart. This is the mid-term chart on Amazon. And the chart exhibits the most recent entry long that in fact is complementary, buying 30,000 shares, available on an article on the blog of the company. And this forecast to be possible, we have to see Amazon going to $2,040 from $1,550, okay? I also remind you that we wrote several articles that I'm going to show you on the blog of the company with regards to investing in Amazon. And these articles, they are very important. You have here the long-term investment process in Amazon, so strong buy since 77. This is the perfect and the number one tech company in the world, in my personal opinion. But also I'm going to show you here things that I recently announced on the blog, namely the forecast with regards to Apple, where we have a massive long position, but we also need Amazon to move higher. I'm scrolling here articles that you have on the blog of the company, large amount of stock picks for you to make millions of dollars in the markets. This is one of the most famous calls, selling Facebook ahead of earnings, making it available for free on YouTube. And I'm looking for the article that I want to show you. This is again one of the greatest achievements in markets history. And this is the one that I want to show you, these screenshots, okay? These screenshots, they were taken and made public on in real time on Twitter, and they exhibit precisely the top and the bottom in Amazon after earnings report. This is unique in the world. Again, I only posted or made available two screenshots, the very bottom and the top in Amazon. And the reason I did it, it was not to demonstrate 100% accuracy, because everyone knows about it. We have been doing this for more than a decade. You have here a video when Amazon was trading at $384, strong buy rating. I strongly recommend that you play the video. It's very important, because this is part of a long-term investment process. And this screenshot that you have here, 1,715, corresponds to our worst-case scenario after the company reported earnings. As you have here on the chart, the share price came down, pulled back or plunged at $100, and didn't violate the uptrend that remained intact. And therefore, as of today, since you have a price of 1,878, more or less, we are maintaining a strong buy rating and raising the price target to $2,040. And this is the what I wanted to tell you. But also I have to show you the article on the blog of the company, because this is correlated, all these matters, with the power shares, the tech sector. And I want to show you the article on the blog of the company with regards to Apple. Because, my friends, I've been saying here, and this is very important, while everyone else thought that we bailed out of Apple, on the contrary, I made available a forecast for the members, precisely informing them. Here you have to play this video, okay? And it is available for members. And notice here the title on the article below: Amazon is better investment than Apple. So we have two massive long positions, the case of Apple and Amazon, all right? And this is unique, all right? But Amazon remains a better investment than Apple, in my personal opinion, since I've been saying this for years. Also, I recommend that you click on this link here, why Warren Buffett is a disaster and stupid investor, because you're going to understand the process, as well as this one here. Amazon share price surged above $1,900. And this is the screenshot, the real-time trade alert that everyone is aware of, intuitive code, posted in real time, recommending large investment position, unlike scammers on the web that they have been deceiving investors for decades. So I also recommend that you play this video. Here you have rocket profits in Rocco. Very important, because I also shared these earnings with subscribers, for example, in AI Bot 5 and Bot 3. And going back to the article, don't forget, Amazon is better investment than Apple, but we have two massive long positions in both companies, and this is part of the forecast to make $1 billion, precisely as I addressed, divided in two different phases.
Hi, my name is Carlos. I began taking this course called BOTO. I was kind of skeptical when I found this course online, and I decided to go ahead and take a shot and see what this was about. Within the first week, I was fortunate and surprised that I had an 800% return with BOTO within the first week. I was so excited that I had to upgrade and take the AI Bot 5 course, which was even better. 4 months later, I've had a 700% return on just taking this course, and it's only been 4 months. I would say it's unbelievable. Most people would not believe, but I'm going to be honest with you. Believe me, this is definitely something that I would say is worth the time to look into. The support, the team, Alex, it's unbelievable. The type of level of support that I've had with AI Bot 5, direct communication with the team, email, able to ask questions about some of the lessons on the course, specifics on the course, nothing vague, very specific. I definitely would say I've been fortunate to put a lot of time and effort to watch some of the lessons over and over again, and many hours during the week, and sometimes as well as weekends. I've made a commitment with this course, and I would say it's definitely yielded a return that I couldn't even imagine. It's changed my life. No experience whatsoever in the markets, and I've been able to do all this without performing options. There's no options to be able to receive this type of return is unbelievable. And like I said, it's changed my life.